Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. Thanks for this 10k subscribers. I hope you all will stay forever with this channel and let me give opportunities to share more content with you guys. Now in this video we will learn how we can earn up to $10 in every 10 minutes with free source. Hope you're gonna like this video. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group premium share to get daily updates. Now first of all, here we'll talk about two websites which are completely free to use, and the features of these websites is to use them for sell any type of digital products like song, ebooks, software, courses, all type of digital stuffs for free. The site will cut only 5% as a transaction fee and giving you unlimited access. But if you don't want to share any type of transaction fee with them, then you can just subscribe their premium pro package. Two options here you will see. So for free you can go with the digital download. You don't need to choose the membership option. Now you can see the monthly traffic volume of this website is over 1 million. Majority of the traffic from United States and United Kingdom. Another site like this is Fear. Here you can sell same digital products like Pay, where they will give you daily payments and up to 80% profit share. So this is very cool because they are giving you instant payment if you got any type of sale with their website. Now take a look at this partner of this website. All the big websites like Amazon, Spotify, Deezer. You can simply start work here with signing up through your email. Now the question is what to sell here. If you don't have any of your personal course, ebook or software, what to sell here? This is a big question. Now here we can use PLR products, and you will get it here, IDPLR website. You will see over 10,000 products. You will see here products which are publicly free to use with their license if you want to sell them over in those two websites. Now all categories are here. You can search for any topic and download your product and then upload to those sites. Then you will get your product link like this, what you can promote in different ways. Here we will see AV forum. Here after sign up you will see a lot of topic here related to your question. So go to any question or topic which you see it's related to your product, that what you are promoting, and here you will suggest your product as a solution. So what to use here, you can use this website as a suggestion. You should look for the topic or you should look for the viral topic here which is getting most of replays and views, and then you should try to find a product based on that topic and sell them here. You should upload a related product in Payhip or the Fair, and then you will get a link and you can promote it in this viral topic or that question, so as a solution, so people will go and purchase your tool or ebook what you are selling. So as you can see, the traffic here is so many. So you can just imagine that you will get a little bit sale, or you can get CPA over clicks from here as well if you know how to promote or how to research for a viral topic from here. You can see as there are so many traffic and so many questions, you will definitely find a viral topic or a daily viral topic here. You will find out here, and based on those categories you will find out ebooks in that IDPLR sites and download that tool or ebook and then upload it to your Payhip or Fair. Then you will get your promotional link and promote it here in this answer. So this is a pretty easy thing you can use to promote and get sale. Hope you're gonna like this and you will understand. If you don't understand anything, then you can just comment here. I'll try to share solution with you.